Why are diamonds so expensive? Today, you'll discover every secret.
Look at this stratification. It doesn't match the bedrock scans.
The scanner is showing high levels of quartz hybridization here.
Keep the flow steady. Watch the edges.
Here we have a dodecahedron. Notice the resorption marks. We grade this based on the anticipated yield and the nature of the flaws.
To determine the quality of a diamond, we look for inclusions and blemishes. These tiny internal features are what we analyze for the clarity grade.
Clarity is VS1 on this one.
Confirmed.
The color grading on this lot seems inconsistent.
Yes, especially this one here. It might affect the overall price.
By meticulously studying the 3D model, we determine the optimal cut angles. This precision
To cleave a diamond successfully, we must strike precisely along its crystallographic plane. This ensures a clean split without shattering the stone.
The facets must be absolutely precise. Even the smallest deviation affects how the light refracts, which is crucial for the stone's perfection.
Look at the reading on the X-ray. It confirms the type 2A classification.
Yes, the nitrogen count is negligible.
The transformation is complete. From rough stone to exquisite jewelry, a masterpiece ready to be cherished for generations.
Now you know why diamonds are so precious and costly. Every step demands unmatched skill and precision.
Laser inscription is crucial for a diamond certification. These microscopic markings ensure complete traceability from the mine to the market. The size and position of these inclusions determine the clarity grade, heavily influencing the diamond's value and how it can be cut. Precision is everything. The blade must find the natural fault line. Applied correctly, the pressure results in an instantaneous.
Oh, look at how the light catches that.
It's exquisite. Do you have the matching earrings?
We do, right over here.
Oh, wow.
It's
the one. I love it so much.
The triple excellent rating confirms the superior quality of the cut, polish, and symmetry.
I see. And this clarity grade is VVS1.
Exactly, very, very slightly included.
The saturation on this ruby is exceptional, very little color zoning.
Let's confirm the origin data on the monitor.
We take the utmost care with every piece, ensuring it arrives perfectly.
The angle here is critical for maximizing the brilliance.
And the grain runs precisely along this axis.
Exactly. Now watch the pressure on the wheel.
Oh, wow, look at that sparkle. It's incredible. It's perfect. You have to get this one.
Starting the bidding at 5 million, looking for 6. 6 million, thank you. 7 million, do I hear 8? 8 million, sold for 8 million.
This one is perfect. The setting is secure.
I have the velvet box ready, matching the manifest now.
Checked. Ready for shipment.
We should highlight the clarity in the new campaign.
Yeah,
Imagine the sparkle. Yeah.
And use the aerial shots for the homepage.
Yeah.
It feels much more premium.
This necklace is exquisite.
It truly is. It matches the earrings we saw earlier.
The internal characteristics are minimal, placing this in the flawless category. The saturation of the blue is exceptional, a true fancy vivid.
By precisely calibrating the laser's frequency, we can target the inclusion without affecting the surrounding lattice.
As you can see, the cut significantly improves the dispersion of light, maximizing the brilliance factor across.
$50 million, do I hear 60? 60 million in the back, do I hear 70? 70 million, going once, going twice. Sold.
And here we see the laser inscription on the girdle. CERT 123456789.
As you can see, the Knoop harness number here confirms its identity.
And the slight variation suggests a synthetic origin, correct?
Yeah.
As you can see on the GIA certificate here, the cut grade is excellent, which is why this diamond has such exceptional brilliance.
Look at that fire. Absolutely stunning dispersion.
The craftsmanship on this pendant is simply exquisite.
Truly stunning. The clarity is remarkable.
This piece is truly exquisite, madam. It just arrived this morning.
Oh, the craftsmanship is simply stunning. Congratulations to you both.
Oh my goodness, it is beautiful.
It really is.
What do you think about this facet arrangement here, James?
It's good, but maybe slightly deeper on the lower half.
That makes sense. Let's run the simulation again.
The symmetry on this facet seems slightly off.
Agreed. A minor correction to the alignment. It meets the standard now.
This is exquisite work, truly stunning.
Thank you. We are so glad you love it.
It's breathtaking, isn't it?
The craftsmanship on this piece is absolutely stunning.
Truly revolutionary. I've never seen a cut quite like it.
Okay, track left slowly. Get that excavator in the frame now. We need to capture the scale of this operation.
What if we added a halo setting here? It would enhance the center stone.
Oh yes, especially with this cut. Look how the light catches it in the render.
Each certificate provides an objective assessment of a diamond's quality, detailing its carat weight, cut, color, and clarity.
We are seeing some masterful work today. The focus on the 8 facets is paramount right now.
Indeed, one slip could cost them the lead.
Look at that solitaire. It's flawless, flawless.
It's like your frame. Absolutely stunning. I've never seen a cut like that.
Now you've seen why diamonds are so precious. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory tours.